News 5 at 5 continues now.
So we've been telling you about the alarming rise in overdoses as the pandemic wears on.
Earlier this month, the Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner issued an alert saying the county is on pace for 600 deaths due to drugs just this year. And now Metro Health is expanding its quick response teams, which is aimed at addicts who survive overdoses, hoping to keep them from becoming part of those sobering numbers.
And Only News 5's Tracy Carlos went along with counselors to see what they're doing.
And we also include a Narcan resource guide.
Once a week at the Parma Police Department,
We're going to go ahead and offer them Narcan kits.
the quick response team loads up and heads out.
Rain or shine, here we are.
Kelly Cialetti is a social worker and Lieutenant Oliver Simic is a Parma police officer. Together, they make up a quick response team.
Most of the time when we go up to the houses, this is the way I'm dressed, even more so in more plain clothes. So we're trying to take the law enforcement aspect out of our meetings.
They knock on doors of those who have recently overdosed on opioids in an attempt to save lives. They're armed with information about getting help, Narcan, and fentanyl testing strips.
A lot of the time it's gratitude. You don't have a lot of these kinds of programs out there in the community. So a lot of the times we're seeing family, and the families are very grateful for our resources and our outreach.
Metro Health Medical Center launched the unique program 2 years ago. It's now expanding. Within a week of a reported non-fatal overdose, quick response teams are launched to contact survivors at home.
I believe it's helping out greatly. We're giving them resources, we're educating them, we're giving them Narcan. I think Narcan is probably one of the biggest things that went to the reduction in deaths.
Parma Police were the first department to get involved in the program. There's also a quick response team for West Shore Enforcement Bureau. And now, just a couple of weeks ago, the program expanded to include the Cuyahoga County Sheriff's Department. In Parma, Tracy Carlos, News 5.